Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw an anime girl. This process is going to be very easy, so don't skip this video and watch it till the end. I have started it with a circle, and here you can see I am drawing these lines. These lines will help us to draw her facial features like eyes, nose and lips. So the line in the center indicates her nose. Upper two lines we are going to draw eyes, and the line above it we are going to draw eyebrows on that. The lower two lines indicate lips, and the lowermost line we will draw chin. Uppermost line will indicate forehead. Now I'll mark up the areas where we are going to draw her eyes. Always remember, the distance between two eyes is always equal to one eye. There should be enough distance between two eyes so that one eye can fit in that space. I have also marked up the area for the lips. Now let's start the actual drawing. I'm starting off with her eyes. I like to start my drawing with eyes because I'm more concentrated and excited in the beginning of a session. That's why I always start with the eyes, because that's the crucial part of the face. So let's draw her eyes. If you find it difficult, always remember, just think about some simple shapes, just like I think about circles whenever I'm drawing eyes, and then I just fill it up with some light or dark shades of colors. Let's draw her eyelashes now. You don't need to be accurate at this stage. You can just lightly draw shapes. If you don't like them, you can still erase them. And when you like the shapes, then you can darken it up and add in the details. I am happy with this eye, so I'm keeping it as it is. Let's draw another eye now. It's the same process as before one. I'm starting off with the simple shapes, and then I'm going to add in the light and dark layers of this pencil. The process is same, so I'll just quickly finish this one too. Her eyes are looking beautiful now. So let's move on to her brows. Let's draw her nose after that. For nose, Just follow along the line. Let's move on to her lips now. We are going to draw her lips only in that box we made earlier. It will make the process easier. I'm showing her teeth and her tongue also. This looks nice. So the main features are complete now. Let's get on to her face. I'm just following a line along her eyes to the bottom. I'm drawing her ear besides. The other portions will be covered by her hair. Now I'm drawing her hair, which is the most easy part. I'm just waving lines. You can draw whichever hairstyle you like, but I like open hairs, so I'm drawing them. See, drawing with these lines can really help you out. I always prefer this method. Whenever I draw human faces, I always use this method. Drawing on these lines, I always apply less pressure on my pencil so that if I don't like any shape or any specific feature, I can erase it easily and draw another one. This time I liked all of them, so I'm keeping them as it is. Later on, we'll erase those lines and make everything darker. If you do like my video on this topic, then please let me know in the comment section below. If you liked my way of teaching, then please give it a like and also share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. This is nearly complete now. Let's quickly add in some more details. I don't like to use eraser much often because I think it just messes up my paintings. So I always draw with those imperfections, and if I want to erase something, I always do it in the end. It was difficult at first. Now, whenever I think about it, I actually like the idea of it because it has improved my drawing very much. So from my experience, if you want to improve your drawing abilities, you will have to use eraser very less, because you'll make less mistakes if you are not using any eraser. Now this is complete. I'll erase the unwanted lines at this stage. Let me just quickly erase it. This is how it looks now. If you want more videos like this, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.